Today I'm going to show you an exercise for thoracic extension. Our thoracic spine is our mid-back right through here. And it's a really long portion of our spine. And when we sit all day, which most of us unfortunately do at our desk or at our couch or wherever we are, we tend to start to let gravity throw us into this position more and more and more. The problem with this is that it shortens all the muscles in your front and elongates a lot of the muscles in your back. All muscles function at an appropriate length. So if we lengthen them too much or shorten them too much, they can't work like they're supposed to. So this exercise is going to help us go from here to getting a little bit more movement in that thoracic spine, a little bit more openness in our chest. So you do need a foam roller for this. If you don't have a foam roller, you can roll several bath towels or beach towels together into a really thick log like this, but I do recommend and prefer something a little more sturdy. So we're going to come through here right in that mid-back area. So right, basically, we can start around a little bit lower than bra strap area and we're gonna work our way up, or we can start right around, right before our neck and work our way down. But what we're gonna do from here is, one of the important parts is to make sure that our hips are tucked underneath us and we're not starting to arch our low back. When we arch our low back, we get our lumbar spine, our lower spine involved, and what we're targeting here is our thoracic or mid-back. So from here, hips are tucked. Arms are going to go behind head to help support neck and head, and then we're slowly just going to go over top of foam roll without letting myself arch here. We're just really working on mid-back arching up and over that foam roll. You might feel a little bit of stretching through the abs and through your chest. That's fine. You might feel a little bit of opening up in the back there as well too. This exercise should not hurt. If it hurts, stop it and we'll figure out a way to modulate it next time we see each other. So we're going right through here. Now, our thoracic spine moves in several different ways. Not only does it extend and bend, but it also rotates and twists for us. So one of the other ways I'll have people do this exercise is when they extend back, I'll then have them lean and curl to one side and then the other side. So what that looks like, might be a little hard to see here, but as we extend backwards, then we start to draw that elbow towards our hip, and then elbow on the other side towards that hip. So my left elbow is going towards my left hip right now. And then we can go to the next segment and do the same thing. You're going to extend and then bend, extend, and bend. Similarly, you can also rotate. This one's a little harder to do with still keeping some of that extension, but it's also a good one. Any questions about that? Shoot us an email or a text at chainreactionpt.com, and we will see you soon.